In this video, I'll show you how to get a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account if you're prompted to do so. Make sure you're using the account you want to use for your Gemini API projects. Next, once you're signed in, look for the Get API Key button or open the API Keys section from the menu. Google AI Studio provides a simple interface for creating and managing Gemini API keys. After that, click Create API Key. If you're asked to choose a Google Cloud project, select an existing project or create a new one, then continue with the setup. Now, wait a few moments while Google generates your new API key. Once it's ready, copy the key and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or another safe location. Next, avoid sharing your API key publicly or including it directly in your source code. Instead, store it as an environment variable or use another secure method to protect your credentials. After that, return to Google AI Studio and review the available Gemini models and documentation. This will help you understand which model is best for your application and how to authenticate your API requests. Now, if you're building an application, open your development environment and configure your project to use the API key. Most Gemini SDKs and examples require you to provide the key before sending requests to the API. Test your API key by running a simple example from the Google AI Studio documentation. A successful response confirms that your key is working correctly and that your application can communicate with the Gemini API. After that, monitor your API usage and quotas through your Google account or associated Google Cloud project so you can keep track of requests, usage limits, and billing if applicable. Finally, if you ever believe your API key has been exposed, turn to the API keys section, revoke the compromised key, and generate a new one before continuing to use the Gemini API. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn with Igor for more tutorials.